Thank you for all being here today for the 2023 Mayoral Community Awards. I'm delighted you could all make it. Taupō District has an abundance of special groups and individuals that make a huge contribution to their community and those in it. Today I'd like to formally recognise some of these wonderful people who work behind the scenes, doing unpaid voluntary work over long periods of time to improve community wellbeing. The response for nominations was overwhelming, and I am delighted that people took the time to recognise those individuals who really are the backbone of our community. And without you, the community is a lot less off, less fortunate to be. And I know it's all a lot of work you do when no one's looking. So thank you on behalf of the councillors and Deputy Mayor. We once again thank you so much.